Welcome to Student Engagement in Standards-Based Learning, Section 4.3, Learning Activity Number 4. Let's take a look at another learning activity aligned to the QFL process skill, appraisal. Please locate page 179, Learning Activity Number 4, Rank the Candidates, where you will find the directions for this learning activity. You are forming a new country and need a presidential candidate. Several new individuals have emerged from around the world as potential candidates. You have been charged with examining the credentials of these individuals and ranking them from the best to worst presidential candidate. Work individually and respond to each of the reflection prompts on page 180, Characteristics of a President. Read the credentials of the 5 candidates on page 181. Meet the candidates. Based on your reflection and the credentials, use the table on page 179 to rank the candidates from 1 equals best through 5 equals worst. Write a statement in support of each ranking. Locate appendix page 342, Meet the candidates, after you are finished to check the identity of the candidates. Reflect on if you would change your ranking now that you know the true identity of the candidates. Please turn to page 182, Point Debrief for Rank the Candidates. Reflect on the following questions. How does this activity develop the QFL process skill appraisal? Did you have to rank the candidates from best to worst? And did you prioritize your choices? What engaging strategies were evident to engage students academically, emotionally, or behaviorally? Is there an element of mystery as to the true identity of the candidates? Is this activity relevant in real world, especially in an election year? Did you have a choice in ranking the candidates? How does this activity develop the 21st century skills identified? Critical thinking. Were you analyzing credentials and comparing and contrasting candidates? Leadership. Were you examining what makes a good leader, which can help students be more aware of those skills? Communicating. Were you sharing your thoughts? Please respond to the following questions in Canvas Module Section 4.3, Learning Activity Number 4, Rank the Candidates discussion area. How can you modify or expand this activity for your students? What activities in your curriculum require students to rate or rank items? Please record any other ideas underneath target connections. You may also want to align this learning activity or a variation of it to a state or district standard for your content area and grade level. Record the number of the standard in the standards block. This concludes learning activity number 4. Please continue to Module Section 4.3 Align Learning Activity number 5.